Good morning. Continuing on with the function summary of f of x, the polynomial function f of x equals 3x cubed minus 2x squared. The next property is behavior toward infinity. We tell this by taking limits to negative and positive infinity and seeing if there is horizontal asymptotes, functional asymptotes. If it crosses the asymptote, this is under this heading. Of course, this is a polynomial, so we are actually not going to have any horizontal asymptotes, functional asymptotes, or otherwise, but we will take the limits. So the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 3x cubed minus 2x squared. Well, the highest power dominates. A cubed term negative will be negative, so we can say that goes to negative infinity. And the limit as x goes to positive infinity, 3x cubed minus 2x squared equals positive infinity. By the same nature, positive cubed is a positive. This minus x squared will have nothing to do as we go to infinity. We'll have, this tells us we have no horizontal asymptotes. So next we look at symmetry. This property will become more interesting with other functions, but this is an example with a polynomial. So now we look at symmetry. Sometimes we get lucky, and that can kind of help us graph things. And I should have mentioned it before, but when you do symmetry, when you do these function summaries, you should be updating a graph each time. It's just the format here. I really can't do that. I don't have any way. I guess I could show you a picture. But anyway, symmetry. We want to test for, I always test for even symmetry. I think most people do. I shouldn't say I always do. But anyway, even symmetry. It says that f of negative x equals f of x. And of course that means if we put a negative x in for each x, simplify, and we get the same thing we started with, then we have even symmetry. So we say 3 times negative x cubed minus 2 times negative x squared equals negative 3x cubed, it's not a plus, minus 2x squared. We almost got lucky, but it's not even. So now we test for odd symmetry, and you can either see that as f of negative x, negate f of x and see if it equals f of negative x, or you can say that that's the test if negative f of negative x equals f of x. I kind of like this. I saw Professor Sludge do this over the mini, and I actually like that a little better, because now I can just look directly right here. I don't have to do two things. So now I'm just going to multiply a negative by what I got right here and see if I get f of x, and I get positive 3x cubed plus 2x squared. Well, so it's not odd either, so we say the symmetry is neither. And I think I'll stop there, and we'll start increasing, decreasing on the next vid.